In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add more than 30 stocks in Tradingview Watchlist. If you've hit the 30 symbol cap on the free plan, there are two straightforward ways to go past it: upgrade within Tradingview, or use a free broker platform that integrates Tradingview style charts. First, the paid route. Upgrading unlocks a much higher symbol limit per watchlist, and most tiers raise it to 1.0 symbols. The Essential plan gives you that 1.0 symbol capacity and also lets you create multiple watchlists, which is great for organizing by sectors, strategies, or regions. Plus and Premium keep the same 1.0 symbol limit but add quality of life features like more active alerts and additional chart layouts, which can save time if you run multiple templates. To upgrade, sign into Tradingview, go to your account or billing section. Pick the plan that fits your needs and confirm. Once upgraded, open your watch list, start adding symbols, and consider splitting big lists into smaller, clearly named groups so you don't waste time scrolling. Remember that different instrument types count toward the limit, so keep your list focused. If you use alerts heavily, check the alert quota on your chosen plan to avoid surprises. Now, the no-cost method. Some brokers provide a full Tradingview charting experience inside their own platforms, and their watchlists often allow far more than 30 symbols for free. Dawn offers a Tradingview-like interface and lets you add up to 250 stocks per watchlist with as many as 20 separate watchlists, giving you room for up to 5.0 symbols in total. Zero to Kite includes Tradingview charts as part of its redesigned Market Watch, and it allows up to 25 watchlists with 250 instruments each. The idea here is simple: log in to the broker's platform, create or select a watchlist, and start adding instruments. You'll get the familiar charting tools and layouts, but keep in mind that your watchlists and settings are saved within the broker's system, not your main Tradingview account. It's a clean solution if you want large lists without paying, especially if you already trade through these platforms. Which path should you choose if you want everything unified inside Tradingview and you rely on advanced alerts and layouts? Upgrading is the most seamless. If you are cost-conscious and comfortable managing watchlists within a broker interface, the integrated approach works well. Either way, label your lists clearly. Archive what you don't use and periodically clean duplicates so your workflow stays fast and focused. Limits and features can change, so check the latest details on the provider's website before you commit.